My name is XX this one. I'm gonna be playing Area Echo. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Hope you all enjoy the video. Alright. Alright, guys. I'm gonna be telling you about the vending machine. It's like cool drinks. They have the blue can for speed, the purple can. Red can is for healing. Heals full health. What if? Alright. Get that. Red can heals your health, like this guns. And the purple can does something health gain. Now the blue can. Well, blue can's for speed. Whoa, oh, it just kills you? Okay. Wait, what's this speed? Alright. I will try it again. You guys see that? Yep, I have speed. Speed of light. Let me play another one. Another one. Oh, guys, if you like hold shift, then while drinking it, it kills you. Alright, back onto the mobile task force team. Alright, you can see that NPC's right there, guys. You see that's security department. Now onto CDC. Stairwell, authorized personal. This is CDC. Catwalk up there. They have the machine as well. And yes, guys, this This soda can cannot clip if if you're grabbing if you're holding it. Anyone abuses this no clip, guys, will get permanent ban or class extendable sentence for 7 weeks. It could be any depending you know depending on the day. Abusing this bug abusing this bug or glitches like this can result in permanent and or class extendable sentence. Abusing bug is against the rule of no clipping. So yeah, guys, you see the whole map. I can see the whole map in base plate. And there's a random med kit right here. A med kit. Yep. Alright. Back. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe. Bye.